Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a little itchy. Um, I need to do some wheel swaps. I'm waiting for donor cars and some other shipments to come in. I got some stuff I wanted to do. Got this bad boy. So this is a Boulevard car. Freaking love this thing. So what I'm gonna do is put the wheels from this Boulevard car, Grand National. This one's gonna get some wheels from the donor cars that come. They're supposed to be here Saturday, so we'll see. Gonna drill this out and then check the tabs out and see how everything goes. All right, so I got these separated. There's a base. Just gotta get the tabs off. That's separated. Now I'm gonna separate the Grand National, and then this one's gonna get probably some all black 5 spokes. So this one will turn out pretty sweet as well. So I got the Grand National separated. There's the bottom, the chassis. There's an Easter egg. I don't know if any of you have ever seen the Grand National um, cast before in just a mainline. Um, this premium is freaking way cooler. I don't know if you can see, but it has twin turbo setup with twin intercoolers. So yeah, they should have made the hoods removable on these like they did on the main lines. That's freaking cool, man. I wish I could make this removable. It still looks pretty sweet, but all that for nothing, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna grind the tabs and then we'll go from there. See how this Porsche turns out. Okay, it's all done. The Grand National is just waiting for wheels now. And the moment of truth, this is what I've really been waiting for to do. Bam. Turned out way nicer with these wheels. Looks way better. I put the Porsche wheels on this Skyline just to see what it looked like. But that's what it was before. Not the greatest style. I don't mind them for older muscle cars, but that looks way better. So yeah, I've been itching to do that one. Saturday, I'll have some more stuff to do. I'm just going to glue that. It's going to go on Instagram. Um, I probably have one more swap I'm going to do. I'm not 100% sure yet. I might do this tomorrow. So I want to wheel swap this, take these wheels off, and probably, honestly, never mind. So it's going to get these white wheels from this Acura, and then this Acura is probably going to get some black wheels as well, some 5 spoke. But I'll probably do that tomorrow. I just wanted to get this done. This thing, man, turned out great. Turned out nice. Those wheels look so much better. So yeah, right on. All right, so I got a little wheel swap I'm going to be doing. This Mustang, it comes with black, like 10 spoke with the little yellow spot. I'm actually going to be putting these wheels on it from this Jetta. These are going to get black wheels. This car is way cooler, I think. Better paint job, less castings of a Jetta. So yeah, this one's going to have yellow wheels on it. So once I get my donor wheels, this one will get some all black 5 spokes. So we'll see. Yeah, it'll look pretty sweet. Okay, so got this done. Waiting on some black wheels for this. So that's cool. So the Mustang I'm pretty happy with. Turned out all right. the yellow accents on the car really make the wheels pop. It looks like it came that way, so I'm just gonna glue it up, and this bad boy is good to go. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks good. So back from work. Yeah, stay tuned. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Probably won't be doing anything, just a lot of eating food. Then Friday, Saturday, I'll be getting my donors, uh, and I should be getting another order. So we'll see. I'll be doing another unboxing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Uh, See you on the next one. Later.